Greetings, my YouTube family. Yes, today is July 31st of 2019. It's the last day of July, going into August 1st tomorrow. School starts back here tomorrow. I wanted to come at you. There's a couple of things I wanted to say. DroneWorship Dan. I don't know if y'all know or not, but DroneWorship, he's having a medical procedure of some kind done. Don't know exactly what. He just told me he was going to be down for a little while. That's for you, Dan. Scratch that billy goat beard for me just one time. I hope you're well, sir. You get better. We need you back. The whole community needs you back. You get well soon. Robin, I hope you're holding up well. Greetings and salutations to you. There's something I needed to say. As you know, I got a Horizon Hobby Inductrix. Loved it. And before I ever moved, it went bad. It went slam wonky. I emailed Horizon Hobby, and they immediately sent me out another one. No questions asked. They wanted to see the receipt, and that's it. Blew my mind. Of course, I'm used to another company, him hauling around, asking for videos, and, you know, usually waiting around 30 or 45 days and then telling you you're out of customer service. Nevertheless, they sent me a whole complete another bird, told me to keep the other one as spare parts. Blew my mind, man. But nevertheless, they sent me a new bird, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you now a couple of things, what I've done with it. Bear with me. Here's what we got. There's the original blade inductrix setup. Oh, I left my pocket knife laying there. I went ahead and bought two 45C batteries. I like them. They're a little bit shorter flight time, but nevertheless, what I have here is I have a whole new frame. Can you see that? I have a whole new frame. Nothing wrong with the frame. Perfectly good condition. I have two extra bodies. Plastic bodies. I don't know if it went bad, if it was a flight board or what. There's a flight board. Connections are not bad. I don't see any burning. You guys can look. I've also got 4 extra motors. The nice thing about these blade inductrix is there's really no soldering if you want to switch and change parts and what have you. And also, one thing I wanted to know is I have 2 controllers, as you can see. I'm wondering, somebody's told me before, I'm wanting to check, but if I have an extra controller, can I go buy a bind and fly blade nano helicopter and fly it from this controller? Anybody know out there? Can I do that? Seems like it's the same controller that comes with the blade nano helicopter. Somebody write me back. JD Quad, I know you know the answer to this question. How you doing, buddy? I hope you and the missus are well. Nevertheless, I wanted to holler out at y'all and show you. I got 2 boxes too. See? But good job, Horizon Hobby. Excellent job. Excellent job. Customer service was awesome. They were quick to respond. They were pleasant to work with. And you have my kudos, sirs. Again, DroneWorship Dan. I hope you're laying in your hospital bed flying FPV around your room. Don't let them catch you, buddy. All my love to you all. I hope you have a great day. This is Silver Top Flyer, signing off.